Hi, welcome back to another episode on Sriram College of Commerce SRCC. In the last video, we spoke about how the journey started from Daryaganj in Old Delhi and how today SRCC is at the present campus at North Campus of Delhi University. Today, in this episode, I'm going to talk about the programs which SRCC offers at the undergrad level and what is the process of admission till now and what's going to be the future. अभी तक जो भी एडमिशंस होते थे वो मेरिट बेस्ड होते थे आगे क्या होने वाला है विल गेट टू नो इन दिस वीडियो सो लेट्स गो ahead and look at what are the programs SRCC has to offer. Now, if you know, SRCC is completely focused on commerce studies. वहां पे कॉमर्स के अलावा किसी और सब्जेक्ट की पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. So at the undergraduate level, there are only two courses which are offered by Shriram College of Commerce. One is BCom Honors and the other one is BA Honors in Economics. Now, when we talk about BCom Honors, the total intake जो टोटल सीट्स हैं इस प्रोग्राम की दैट इज 626 considering all the categories. So whether you talk about unreserved category, you talk about the reserve categories combined together, SRCC has a total intake of 626 for the BCom honors program. पर इसके अलावा बहुत सारे सुपर न्यूमररी सीट्स भी हैं. Now what are supernumerary seats? Supernumerary seats का मतलब होता है कि over and above the intake, which is 626, there are specific seats for certain students. For example, person with disability, person coming from the armed forces background, Kashmiri migrants, foreign nationals even, and there are certain seats reserved through sports quota and extracurricular activities. Which means ये जो seats हैं ये over and above 626 के हैं. तो जो टोटल आप देखोगे वो 626 से ज्यादा सीट्स हैं and for every category of students there is certain reservation available in terms of intake, in terms of admissions. Now when we talk about BA honors economics, यहाँ पे क्या situation है? This course is one of the difficult ones to get into, and the reason is very simple. If you talk about this course, there are a total of 155 seats only. Total 155 seats हैं, and we all know how much the course is in demand, and that is well known by the fact if you look at the cutoffs of the last few years. So when we talk about BA honors economics, there are supernumerary seats here as well. They are limited just like the overall intake, but यहाँ पे भी supernumerary seats available हैं. But जो total intake है वो सिर्फ 155 seats का ही है. अब हम eligibility की बात करते हैं. Now, it is not just about the high cutoffs. The criteria to get admission is also very specific. अगर आप बीकॉम ऑनर्स में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो, you need to have mathematics in your class 12. Along with that, you'll also need to have a language, which should not be a problem because most students have either one of the languages as far as their class 12 curriculum is concerned. But if you want to take admission in BCom honors, there are certain subjects which you need to have. For example, apart from mathematics, you need to have accounts, economics, and business studies. If either of that is not present, and if you still want to take admissions to the BCom honors program, having mathematics in your class 12 curriculum, you need to present another subject, but in that case, 1% will be deducted from the overall aggregate marks in the best four subjects. Talking about BA honors in economics, mathematics definitely is one of the important criteria. So अगर आपके पास mathematics नहीं है class 12th में, you cannot apply to this program at Shriram College of Commerce. So to take admissions, one language plus 3 academic or elective subjects, those subjects are listed down on the SRCC website under the list A and list B. You can check out from the link given. And economics must be there in your class 12 curriculum. So if you fail to have any of those electives or the academic subjects, what will happen in that case? 2.5% marks will be deducted from the aggregate of the best four in case your admissions. So that's how the eligibility criteria is. Now, what has been the admission norms till now? Now, till now, if you talk about the situation till 2021, the admissions to both the programs at SRCC has been on merit, which means class 12th marks ko dekha jata hai. Your aggregate in the best four subjects, including mathematics, is considered while taking admissions to these two programs. But we all know over the last few years, the cutoffs have reached unprecedented levels. For example, if you talk about the unreserved category intake in BCom honors program, the cutoff in 2021 was 99%, which means at 99%, the final admission was done. If you talk about the other categories, the situation is no different. If you talk about OBC class, you'll know that in the B Honors Economics program, the cutoff was 97.5% in 2021. Now, this is not an easy task to get into SRCC, but there is a way forward. Starting 2022, Delhi University will be admitting students based on CUCET or DUCET. Now, what are these two exams all about? It's just a wait and watch moment at this point of time. CUCET will be a common entrance test for all the central universities, which means for all the undergraduate courses offered by the central universities in the country, there will be a common entrance exam. अब एक single entrance exam के through admission होगा. Just in case CUCET doesn't happen for any reasons, looking at the COVID scenario or any other reason, Delhi University is definitely going ahead and conducting its own entrance exam from 2020. And that has come directly from the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, which means in that case, you will have a DUCET examination, Delhi University Common Entrance Test, which means you need not worry a lot to have 99% in your class 12. Even if you miss out by certain percentages, you do not need to worry whether you will be getting admissions here or not, because now you have a chance through a common entrance test, which is likely to be based on a combination of aptitude and subject knowledge tests. So that's a good news for each one of you seeking admissions to SRCC and other top colleges of Delhi University. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get such wonderful episodes, and do visit the link which is given in the description to know more about CUCET and the programs which CL has to offer for you.